How to cancel Amazon Music subscription. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. For this, you can just go ahead and log in into amazon.com or use your application of Amazon itself. So once you are in your Amazon, all you have to do is tap on your user icon at the top. From here, with the list of options, scroll down until you see your membership and subscriptions. So in here, if you have subscribed to Amazon Music, it will be displayed something like this. So all you have to do is tap on Manage Membership, and again you have to tap on Manage Membership, Update, Cancel and more. Once you select it, make sure to select Amazon Music Unlimited. Now in here you will see a bubble called Cancel Subscription. All you have to do is tap on Cancel Subscription bubble. Now once you tap on it, for confirmation, you have to tap on Continue to cancel. And just like that, your membership or subscription will be cancelled off Amazon Music. You will most likely receive a mail from Amazon Music regarding the cancellation confirmation of your Amazon Music subscription. Isn't it such a simple thing? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.